Just stop by that dollar store, get some money. Pick up this. Go find
Whoa.
some smaller ones to pick up this and just scoop it out. Scoop it out, yeah.
What?
Yeah, I kind of know what those cups do for when I go camping. That's what I used to do the dishes.
It is a lot.
Ah.
They already have that video at the top. I said, "Thank you, Robert." You know, they always have it.
Hey.